inside the building.
Sorry,
I go to
Send my two phones. Just carry.
Give them now. Everybody got down. They never like that. They're mad. Call everything for you.
I just not be normal armor before now. What you call the happen?
No, they shout, I hope I thief the be will have GR way home. Quiet. They go so come out.
They don't thief us already. Bros, they don't come out. No, they sit there your back.
Give us transport.
Transport kill you there.